Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the neighbor's chase music. It's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. It's just a matter of going into the neighbor and selecting a different song. So let me show you guys. So I set up the neighbor with a new chase theme. So you're going, you have the neighbor. You can jump over here. See, I changed the music. It's pretty easy to do. So yeah, so that's pretty easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do it. So first you want to make sure, one, you have your BP player house. So to get the player house, that's basically just, first of all, if you don't have the neighbor set up, go ahead and go check out my video on how to set up the neighbor, if you don't know how to do that. Once you have the neighbor set up, come back here. So, I'm just, oh no. Oh god, okay. I am going, just give me a second, guys, hold up. I don't know why they had to put these big dinosaur things. Hello? Okay, so if we... I swear, there's a way you can, like... Yeah, there we go. Clear. Clear. Okay, so, you guys can do that if you want. It won't affect the gameplay at all. It just makes it easier in the editor so that big dinosaur dude isn't there. Okay, so what we want to do is, one, make sure you have your neighbor set up. So, since I don't really feel like setting up the boundaries again, I'm just going to select the boundaries. If you want to know how to multi-select, by the way, it's, you hold down Shift. You hold down Shift to multi-select in here. Then if you want to select, like, a row like this, what you want to do is you hold down, okay, so what you want to do is you want to hold down Shift, click on here, and then click somewhere else, and it'll highlight a whole bunch of stuff. If you want to highlight different things, you hold down Control. That's just a quick tip. Okay, so once you have your neighbor thing set up, again, make sure you have your neighbor, so we'll just get BP SoSed. And the reason why I'm not copying that one, because that one already has his chase music changed. So we'll move him over here. We're going to have to remove this neighbor, just because the mod kit does not like it when you have more than one neighbor. At all. I don't know why. It's weird. But what you want to do is click on the neighbor, and over here, you want to look for where it has the details. So if yours looks something like this, and there's, hold on, I have got to turn the audio off on this. Okay, sorry about that. I was watching a YouTube video. Guess I forgot to pause that. So what you want to do is if you didn't see that, what you want to do, if this is all you see, right, go over here. You might be able to see, like, go right in between the two searches and pull down. This little menu will pop up. Then you want to scroll down until you find attack _ sound inherited. Click on that, and then we're just gonna pull this up a little bit so we have more room. Under here where it says sound, this is where you can change it. So you can see if I double click on that. Hold on. So if I click on that, you can see the one that it has right now is right. So let's say I wanted it to be the old, like the first one, like from the pre-alpha, right? So we're gonna look for that. If there's that one, then I believe is this one. So the gramophone, there's two differences between this. This one, the gramophone, that has a crackling. You don't want that. So if you're gonna do the old theme, I didn't know that. Okay. Okay, so if you want the old attack, you want to do attack _ A1 _ Q. Then there's other ones you can choose from. Up. So this one, it seems to change every time you play it. So I know my friend, he's the creator of the High Neighbor mod. If you don't know what that is, over on my main channel, I played that mod. Actually, I believe I posted a new video today. If it's not out yet, but I am going to post a new video today. I'm going to post episode 3. So go ahead and check that out. Pretty good mod. So yeah, he did this one, so it alternates. But you know, you got the different sounds. So yeah, you could just choose one that you want, right? So let's say we want the old one, right? So we're gonna go with attack _ A1 _ Q. So now we're gonna walk up to the neighbor. Okay then. We're gonna pretend that didn't happen. Oh my god. Jeez, okay. Don't touch the crowbar. Crowbar's angry today. Jeez. Alright, let's hop on over here. See the neighbor's doing his thing. We hop over here. See he'll... Okay, so there seems to be an issue. I believe the issue is this. If we delete that, it should work now. Right? I think it's just because I had two of the things. And now if I... So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty easy to change the chase music. That's how you do it. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, break out that mod kit, and start modding.